To use a Cash App virtual card, you first need to have an active Cash App account. If you do not have one, download the Cash App from the App Store and follow the sign-up process. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Cash Card tab in the app. In the Cash Card section, you will find the option to add a virtual card to your account. Tap on this option and follow the prompts to activate your virtual card. You will need to verify your identity by providing some personal information, which is a standard security measure to protect your account. After your identity is verified, you will receive your virtual card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You can use these details to make online purchases or pay bills wherever Visa or MasterCard is accepted. To use your virtual card for online transactions, simply enter the card details at checkout, just as you would with a physical card. Make sure to keep your virtual card information secure, as you would with any credit or debit card. One of the key benefits of using a Cash App virtual card is that it provides an extra layer of security for your transactions. Since the virtual card is not linked to your physical debit card, your main account will be protected in case your virtual card information is compromised. It is also important to note that virtual cards can be easily locked or deleted if you suspect any unauthorized activity, adding an extra layer of protection to your account. To get the most out of your Cash App virtual card, make sure to regularly review your transaction history to catch any suspicious activity. You can do this by navigating to the Activity tab in the Cash App. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use your Cash App virtual card for online transactions, taking advantage of the convenience and security it provides.